Hey, welcome to the channel. I've got projects that I need to get done, and I may have some tips and ideas on doing things that you may not have thought about. Usually when I have a project, I research the death out of it. I do Google searches, I do YouTube searches, I ask friends, family, everybody for opinions. I try to gather as much information as I can. Then I put together my plan and I start. But going along through the project and the builds, sometimes I learn things halfway through that I wish I'd known before, and that's my goal. I kind of want to show you what I do, and hopefully you'll learn from either my mistakes or some of the ideas I come up with along the way. Well, I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, and I got a couple of good projects coming up this year.